Here is how to import a file, whether it be an Excel file, text, CSV, or other file types, but yet importing that file with no reference to your local computer. So when you pick the option text CSV from here, you're prompted to browse on your computer. And yet you might have access in your browsing window to your OneDrive. If you choose the file from this path, it's going to record the file as being locally saved on your computer rather than recording the path to the cloud data source. And for future considerations, it is better to load it as a cloud reference. So here how it goes. You should load it as a web reference. So you need the path to your file. So today I'm going to browse to my OneDrive. So I have a Power BI folder with a demo folder. So that's the path here on my SharePoint. And the file I'm looking for is here, the extract.csv file. So the way to get the path, when sure way that is going to work, even if it's in Teams or in a SharePoint site, you find that file and then you ask to open it in the app. So this will open. This will locally open the file on your computer. And here, if you go on the File menu, under Info, you can copy the path to that file. So then I'm going to close that Excel file. So now that I have in my clipboard the path, in Power BI Desktop, I simply do Get Data and then choose Web. Inside the URL, I just paste, so Control V on my keyboard, the path. And at the end of it, I'm going to delete $web=1. So the end of the copied path is simply the name of my file. And I do OK. I'll be prompted for my credentials because the file is coming from my SharePoint. So organizational account, sign in, and then you choose your proper account. And then you type in your password. So when you click connect, depending on what file type you're importing, you're going to get preview. So you make relevant selections if needed. And once you click transform, it opens your Power Query and you have the file you wanted to load. If needed in Power Query, this is where you make transformations to your data table, or if nothing's required, like now, close and apply. And what I have just uploaded is the file, yet containing a path to the cloud only, and not a path that would start maybe with my C drive and then referring to my local computer.